Hey guys, welcome to DNA Drives. My name is Garrett, and in this video I'll be showing off my 2013 Scion FRS at night, along with a little bit of an update video on my new VLAND headlights and taillights that I recently got and installed about a month ago. Just kind of go over how they've been and what it's like having them on the car. So hope you enjoy the video and you subscribe after watching this video if you're not already subscribed. And please, if you could, do me a favor and give the video a like if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Here's the video. Got these headlights about 1 month ago, and living with them, they've been pretty awesome to have on the car. They really changed up the look and how just menacing the car looks. It is an absolute head turner, or at least it turns my head, to say the least. But anyways, I got these headlights from eBay for around 350 bucks. They came in the mail pretty quick. The one drawback with installing the headlights is they do not come with any instructions, so a little bit of wiring knowledge will do you good and help you out a lot. And if you are installing these on a FRS, unfortunately you do have to do a little bit of splicing and connecting wires. If you don't know how to do that, I made a video of my friend and I installing these headlights, so definitely check that video out if you are not so sure about doing it. But it's pretty much straightforward and it wasn't too difficult to figure out. So as for the taillights, I forget where I got the taillights from. I'll type it right here down below, but I know I got them for $250, and these taillights, super simple to install. They were just plug and play. Doesn't matter if you have the BRZ or the FRS. I'm not sure if they will fit the Koki models 2017 and up, 86 and BRZ, so you might want to check with the manufacturer's disclaimer there before you are thinking about ordering. Along with the headlights too. Sorry I don't have that information squared away. Highly recommend it. It makes the car look 5 years newer. I actually just had a guy today at my work comment on my car saying how nice my car was and that the headlights and taillights just really made it look so much newer than it is. He was surprised to find out it was a 2013. So, you know, it's just these headlights and taillights, man, I'm telling you, they look so good. They look so good. I think that's about all I have to say. The headlights and taillights, they've worked great so far. They do as what they're supposed to do, if that even makes sense. I'm gonna wrap the video up right here. I hope you enjoyed all the night footage that I got of my car. If you did, give it a like, consider subscribing. If you're new around here, if you want to see more FRS content, this is definitely the channel for you. And then on the channel, we also have a 2016 Hyundai Genesis Coupe and a Chrysler 300 SRT, a 2012 model we got. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.